Chat. You know what tolerance of your device? I'm here present for the one year. You know what RJF Entertainment present the launch of 2 albums. Also the launch of RJF Sound System. I know Saturday 27th of April. I know a place to be. Zara Lands, more Clarendon. You see me I say, so come out for the one year. As me don't tell us, it feature 2 albums. Rolling Stone album, also the Sensation compilation with a whole heap of artists. So you know a whole heap of sickness. You see me I say. Music by RJF Entertainment. Special guest selector, Joe Blink from Outer Kingston. You know, featuring artists like Ibo Fire, Real Steel, Prime Suspect, me, myself, Tolerance, Fagai Dance, and many more. All more artists on the radio, I say, come out, you know, because the one that go hot down there, you know. So you know, say, it thing go normal. Yeah. See me, I say, big up all of the Clarendon Massive, them, you know, because we did it in the live in the living color. See me, I say, so come out for the one that pay fire. You see me, I say. See me, I say, refreshment and sale. You see me, I say, the bar did for support. So Clarendon, you know, log in for the one you don't log out till you ready for knockout, because the one you go, hot. The one you go, turn up, load. So you know, rude boy. You know, man can't get along, man, this. Pack your things done left, no bother, and you not stress me no more, yeah. Tired of you doing, so me really can't take you no more, yeah. Pack your things done left, no bother, and you not stress me no more, I tired of you doing, so me really can't take you no more. Turn you up, load. You know what Tolerance for Guidance, I'm representing, you know, 27th of April, you know, this month, your man Zara Land. You see me, I say, Morris Clarendon, come out for the one, yeah. The one that not go normal down there. So Clarendon, you look for no support. Turn you up. Again, Mr. Loud.